Welcome to TT's Corner. From a couple days ago, I wanted to speak to you and to hear your opinion of the Joylan Silvera thing that's going on. First thing first, I am a product of the ghetto in Jamaica. And I have seen a lot of things happening with ghetto people. I have seen police and soldiers running the community. I see all the youth all have a little spliff. And the police grab up, or even an elderly man have a little spliff, grab up the man in his pants waist and gun butt him for have even a spliff. Right? A woman all up on the corner and say, you know if you go on, so them all come and kick with her foot. Me see them something they happen to people in the ghetto. Right? Alright. Joylan Silvera. Pew pew. Him wife. Right? Imagine shoot the mother of your children between the legs. Not one time. You know, shoot her one time. You know, shoot her 2 times. 3 times. And you want to tell me about manslaughter? Furthermore, you're saying you don't have enough evidence. The first DPP said she have evidence for charge for murder. Now the second one said there is not enough evidence for charge for murder. But certain things, as I've seen, don't add up. I see, I take Joylan's word for it. Mr. Silvera says his wife was cursing at him. She has said curse words at him and whatsoever, and it get to him, and him pew her. Right? But in the same thing, they talk to the kids, and the kids tell them both parents was cursing at each other. Mr. Silvera make it look like a Sheila cuss the bad word, expletives, and him wasn't. Right? Okay. So that is a lie where him tell, said the lady do. And she provoke him. Next thing, when it make no sense to me, the kids them hear them parents a cuss. Then, after that, them hear them father go through the door. Did they hear me say? The parents a cuss. After that, them hear the father go through the door. Them not hear no gunshot. So to me, the man use a silencer or a pillow. So you want to tell me say that I still manslaughter? Either use a silencer or a pillow, because them hear the parents a cuss and him not hear no gunshot. And I am not a gun expert, but me hear so the Glock make sound, loud sound. And the people not hear that the sound there, but them they hear the cussing. So, talk to me now. That sound like manslaughter? That not sound like murder? And for sure you say the man wicked, him go away and left the woman in there. And known to the pitney them in the house. And it's like him go away and him not come back. Because he want to pitney them for discover their mother. You know, think say the man wicked, him not care. But him pitney them because there's a trauma that to him pitney them because see their mother dead. And then, a ghetto person couldn't get away with that. That was why I reference those things with the split for them treat ghetto people. But this man, to me, get white gloves treatment. And me want the DPP explain that to me, especially the pitney them hear the cussing and then them not hear the gunshot. And also the house, the things, new furniture coming, place paint up and all these things. Come on, man. We no all give him an opportunity to go to the woman funeral and make a spectacle with crying with the kids and all them something there, knowing full well he murdered the woman. Eh? Come on. No, my love. You better try straighten up on yourself. All the judge, try to fix it up. Because we, the Jamaican people, we not take no foolishness. And we can't come with a little light sentence and whatsoever and a hush. No. Because we need it to have a trial. And all of the people them who involved after the fact needed to come and testify. Mark Golin's the first one who come out and put out, say, oh, Melissa died peacefully in her sleep. So him needed to come testify. Where him get that statement there from? Right man go she, a little bit of blood. Dr. Daz, what was his role? We want to know all of that. So we don't need to come and tell we want, try make sure next month we know we get something substantial as a sentence for this man. Because the same way you can treat a ghetto youth with a spliff, not supposed to arms and gloves a person who use a gun. You understand me? Because something not smell right. Something not pass the smell test. You hear? And if you not cook up something, if you be and come again, because we the Jamaican people are not satisfied with this foolery we want to keep up so far. All right? All right. Because we have our ears and our eyes wide open. So now come to we with no foolishness. All right.